In this video, I'll be showing you how you'll be able to create WarriorPlus account. Okay, what's up guys? Once again, this is Happy Rasi, as you all know. And guys, in this video, I'll be hopping into how you can be able to create what a WarriorPlus account. And if you don't know about WarriorPlus account, don't worry, just stick to the video. I'll be showing all this. So without wasting much time, what I'll be doing is that I'll go through a full tutorial about the WarriorPlus and you can do it. So let's continue. Okay, hi guys, this is guys Happy Rasi, as you all know. And guys, I'm a content creator. I create content about how to make money online. So guys, if this is your first time that you're on my channel, please click on the bell icon below to be notified anytime I drop more videos. And again, not forgetting, share this video and comment below. Let's get that money. And guys, if you're looking for a way and a best method to make money online, just check out my website. I have my WhatsApp link under there. Just check out my new posts. I have a bunch of posts there. Just check out. Guys, before I start everything, I would like to share something with you. Let's go to my YouTube page. So guys, this is my YouTube page. So I would like to share something with you. So let's go to the about. Okay, I'm coming. I would like to share something with you, all that you know, and you know the type of video that I used to do and the type of content creator that I am, so that most of you have a vivid explanation about what I do on my channel here. So guys, I will encourage all of you not to click off this video after hearing what I'm saying. Not to click off this video, guys. As you can see, I have a bunch of videos here. So that's my videos here. I have a bunch of videos there which are about making money online. As you can see, I have a bunch of videos there. So all that we need to do right now here is we can see I have a video about a PE account, Fiverr, and all those things. So let's go to the about, guys. Let's see the about. You can see I have a description there, something like I'm a one genuine boy who is looking for how to make money online. So I have make money online. That's my first method that I say I will be showing you, and the second one that I say I will be showing you is what affiliate marketing. Okay, let me bring it closer to you. Okay, we have affiliate marketing, CP marketing, and social media marketing. So now in this video, I will be teaching about affiliate marketing. And guys, I know I have a bunch of items there that I said I will be showing you, but I've not been showing it. Yes, I've only gathered myself for only one thing, which is make money online. But in this video, from this month going, I'll be taking all those things that I promise you that I'll be handling with. So in today's video, we'll be talking about affiliate marketing, guys. And if you want to know much about affiliate marketing, you can hop up, you can click on the link below. It will take you to my website. Then read more about affiliate marketing. So without wasting much time or without talking plenty, what that we need to do now is how to hop up into the videos. So guys, first of all, you have to type in what we call it WarriorPlus.com. Sorry, okay, you can type in WarriorPlus or WarriorPlus.com. So anyhow you type it, it's supposed to take you somewhere. So guys, I will bring it closer for you all to see how it look like. Okay, so now let's see. After clicking on the link, let's see how it look like. Okay guys, here you are, and boom, okay, we are here. So after you have clicking on the WarriorPlus.com, this is where you have to take you to. As you can see, your profit is our business. So guys, I'm going to help you all to know or to get more knowledge about affiliate marketing and how you can be an affiliate to a company and all those things. So in the course of the video, I'll be explaining what an affiliate marketing is vividly. So without wasting much time, if this is your first time here, all that you need to do is click on the create account there. So you can see that they say to create an account. I have accounts with them, so as I'm clicking on it, they have shown me my details. But I'm going back to show those who don't have accounts here. Those who have accounts here, all that you need to do is your email. They take a password and you click on the sign up. So I'm having an account already, so I'm going to log in. So I'm having a bit difficult here. I don't know why it's not loading. Okay guys, okay, here we are. Okay guys, I'm trying to log into my account, but it's not taking me into my account. So let me fix the problem and let's hop up into the video. Okay, my network is very bad, so it's not loading, guys. So in the course of this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon below to be notified anytime I drop more interesting videos. Okay guys, I've fixed the network. Okay, so let's continue. So I'm logging in. So I'm clicking on the login. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so guys, so here you are. You can see that I've logged into my account successfully. So this is my account, and when you are on your account here, all that you need to do is you can see the top there, you have the marketplace and we have the affiliate and all those things at the top there. So I'm waiting for the items, the top product to load. So I'll explain much about the top product. Okay, so let me wait for the top product to load. Okay, so let's wait for it to load, the product to load. And guys, before waiting for the product, I would like to explain something to you. And guys, the affiliate marketing method that I'm going to explain here is a way that you make a lot of money here. So okay, the guys, it have come. So let me show you something here. It have come. Let me show you something here. Okay, let me scroll down, guys. I hope most of you should not get confused here. Yes, it's just because of my network. That's why I'm having a lot of small difficulty here. So I'm going to fix things out. Okay, boom, guys. You can see that we have a product there, and they have loaded some of the products for us. Those are the products that we are going to uh, we are going to do what we are going to promote. So you can see that we have to the marketplace there. We have the items for the day. So I'm click on the items for the day. Okay, you can see top sellers. Okay, so let's wait for it to look. Okay, guys, as you can see, these are some of the products that people sell and make a lot of home money. So let me click on the first one. Let's see how the products look like. Okay. So right here, these are some of the products that people are promoting here. I hope you can see it from your screen. These are some of the products that people create, and they are selling online. And when you buy it, when you someone purchases from your affiliate link, you get paid for doing that. So let me go back and let me show you something. You can see that these are a bunch of products that we have here. So now, guys, what you'll be doing here right now is that I'm going to show you how you'll be able to get your link, your affiliate link, then you post it and you make money. So I'm going back. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, so you go back and you click on the affiliate, then click on offers. So you will see the offers that they will offer you, or the offers that is there for you to do. So when we are offers, you can see that we have a bunch of offers here. Let me scroll down and let me show you something a bit. Okay, it's now loading. Okay, guys, so now whilst loading, what we do is that we are going to wait for it and see the amount of money that each seller will pay for us when we have gotten out a buyer for them. So let's wait for it to load and let's see the amount that they said, the discount that they will be paying us, and how in this video I'll be showing you how you'll be able to get the affiliate link. So guys, after, if you are watching the video up to here, then well done, you have done a lot, you have done great. Okay, the offers have load. So you can see this one said it will pay us what okay, these are the offers, and this one said to pay, he will pay us what 78. Okay, so let's go down. Then $78 27 cents. Okay, this one say $74, this one says $66. And guys, after you want to generate the link, all that you need to do is click on the request where they have written the request, as you can see at the corner there. So click on the request. Okay, let me click on the request. That's when you want to generate the affiliate link. You want to promote that product. So after clicking on affiliate link, you have to click on request approval. So click on the request approval, and okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, guys, so here you are going to write a short message to the buyer, sorry, to the seller, that okay, hey, I'm this and this. So whilst talking, I'll be writing something that you can also copy and write to everybody that you want to promote the product. You can also copy it and write to the person. So you can write, hi, I'm so and so, I can get a lot of people to your product, to buy your product, and this and this and this and this and this and that. So anything convenience that you write to for the person to give you to give you the link to promote the product. Now guys, whilst writing something, I would like to explain something to you. Affiliate marketing is like, for example, I have a company and you want to help me in the company. You want to sell in the company. For example, I have water company. You want to sell the water for me. Yes. So how it happen is that I will give you the water to go and sell. So when you sell the water and you bring back the money to me, I'll give you a discount for doing that. I hope it's clear. So it's like a business that I've set in, and you have come to work in the business. But the thing is, you're going to bring people to buy the water from me. When you bring the people to buy the water from me, the amount of water that people buy, I'll pay you. I'll give you a discount for bringing the people back. So as you can see, I've written something to them and they saw it successfully. So within 2 to 3 days, they will reply you and they will give you the affiliate link. So you can even do that to maybe 5 products a day. You can even request for 5 products a day that you take the affiliate link and you share it to your friends to buy it. When you buy it, you get paid for doing that. And guys, if you don't know where to share or where to put your affiliate link, just comment below so that I will know. Then in my next video show you how you can get free traffic towards your products. I don't want to make this video long, so in the course of this I'll be ending the video here. But if you don't understand something, you don't get something clearly, don't forget to give me a comment to the comment section. I will reply to all comments, and not forgetting still subscribe and click on the bell icon below to be notified that I drop more videos. See you in my next video. I'm out.